It's in the 40s here this morning, but 70s, here we come, baby. Good morning, boys. Good morning. Hi. Come on, Stripey. Are we walking this morning?
I guess so.
Okay. Happy Easter, everybody.
Yeah, that's right. Happy Easter.
You coming too? Good boy. I haven't seen any damage from the 2 cold nights. I can't say for sure, but I would say that this is looking okay. Doesn't look damaged from the cold.
Right. Well, the good thing is it wasn't down low on the ground. There's enough area where the cold air kind of
Sure.
get away from it.
You coming, Slate? You coming? Your own personal jungle gym down there. I came out here to show you the dogwoods from the treehouse view, and it seems I have a Morris playing down by and under the bridge. Oops. But yeah, I was looking out the window from the love seat, and the dogwood tree up there is looking pretty. And you can sort of see the 2 over here along the driveway as well. Yeah, the treehouse view is very pretty. There's another butterfly too. What, you ask, are they all so interested in? Don's in here on Easter Sunday looking at his reports. And that's because he was a good boy yesterday and he took his girl for a drive.
That's right.
We decided we'd like a whole day off yesterday instead of 2 mornings with a little bit of work. So,
right.
Thank you, Donnie.
You're welcome, sweet pea.
I spent a little time here this morning building everything you see except for the piano and the bench. I used a little bit of the magenta color that's going to be the floor. This is for inside of the Queen Anne Victorian. These are exactly as they should be. The chair is not quite got the colors it's supposed to have. I could use a flat piece here in the front. I could use 2 brown holder tabs over there, but it's good enough. And I need to build a little table for the record player, and obviously there's not a lot of room for furniture in there. You would think there would be more. I don't know if this is going to go on the 2nd floor or on the 1st floor, and I probably need a few more furniture pieces, but anyway, it's a start. Going for a ride in Ruby. And it's 74 outside, and it's so nice and warm in the sun. But my goodness, inside the garage and inside Ruby, it's cold, and I don't have on a jacket. So I had to stop here in the sun for a minute and just let some heat into the car. Either that or be turning on the heater at 74. Looks like a little family game down there on the ball field. People out on personal mobility, people out with their dogs. It's Easter, family time. Oh, the sunshine through the windows. It's all nice and warm now. Hopefully really soon they'll feel like they can put the basketball nets back up over there, and we'll have kids and adults and people having fun on the basketball court again. That would be a really great goal going into spring and summer here. I see a really nice corner plant stand that somebody put out for the trash, so it's a little big to get in Ruby. So I'm gonna go back and get Don to come over, I guess, with the van or the GMC, whichever one he wants to bring. Hopefully it'll still be there. I know you long to hear the words out of your wife's mouth. Come on and help me haul something home. His first guess was it was a cat something.
Yeah.
That was a good guess. But plants, you know, next to your love for cats is your love for plants.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I got your GMC keys and your wallet.
Oh, thank you.
Don is such a good husband. I am so lucky to have him. Well, for now we set it here, and that may very well be where it stays. I put me a plant and a couple knickknacks and, you know, free. I thought about over by the catio, and then, I don't know. I might have Don set it over by the catio and think about it there too. Before I start putting stuff on top of it anyway. This is what happens to black cats here when we get pollen in the spring. They turn yellow for several weeks. Hi, Stripey's a good boy. Stripe's a good boy. Hey, buddy. Keep on sparking him. It's kind of dry out here today. Hi, Sawi. It sparks me too. So we got rid of Dish, and this was the pole that had the satellite on it for a long time. I don't know, it was here when I came in 13. And I told Don when he took the satellite off of it not to remove the pole, because I had something I wanted to put on the pole. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
You getting your exercise?
Oh, God, yes.
It's not a long hill, but it's a hill over there.
Go up and down it 30 or 40 times. It adds up.
So he shortened it. He's fanned it out up at the top, it looks like.
Yeah.
And I had previously bought this birdhouse at Guardian Angel, and he's installing it for me. Yay!
Not too tall, too short?
No, I think that's good. We don't want it too low because of kitties.
That's right.
We want it, that would be a long jump.
Yeah.
So I think that's good.
Okay.
Let's see, stand up straight next to it. So it's 5.5 feet tall.
Yeah, something like that.
Plus the height of the bird thing.
Yeah.
Way cool.
Well, it doesn't look like it's growing out of the trees now.
Right.
It was another foot
This
higher.
is the piece he took off of it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for my Easter present.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it centered up now.
So actually, I don't know if we'll get a birdie in there or not, but it's designed that one bird could be on each side. And mostly it's for decoration. Another Guardian Angel find. Those things are expensive if you go to Wild Birds Unlimited and try to buy one. They start at like 60 bucks. So you sure don't want to go buy one new. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Don even made the little round trim piece at the bottom to hide the hardware. I like it. Not bad. I really do. Thank you for not taking the pole down. I did tell him though that they make these mailbox pole covers. Although they might not be that tall. It would look nice if it was square or round and white, but and then I said, Project Creep, you got to rehang this birdhouse. It came down.
On another thing. Oh.
It just needs a...
Oh, yeah. Just needs
something that won't come down just in case somebody builds in it. It's a fish kitty.
Well, the trick is where you going to hang it.
Well, back on the tree where it was, down by the bridge would be good. My hydrangea's damaged from the cold. Hopefully it'll recover, but it is, you can see the damage. That may cut back on the blooms this year. I don't think long term it'll hurt the bush, but I'm a little disappointed about that. He put it right where I asked him to. I don't know if it was on that tree last time or this tree, but I like that tree better. And it's got some chew marks on it and stuff, but it's been cleaned out, and you know, we get another year or two out of it and I'll be happy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was a 5-minute make your wife happy.
Right, that was easy.
But you will have to walk back up the hill now.
God, not again.
Don's gonna dust off Ruby and then we'll pull her in the garage. But look at the tires. You see that? That's pollen. That's yellow stuff. That's, yeah, I'll show you the garage floor. Nice, I cleaned it. I worked so hard last year to get the garage floor clean. And this is what spring does. I mean, it's a little dark. That's just from the tire rubber, but all the yellow there, yeah, that is pollen. And no matter how much I blow the driveway, it ends up in here. I won't let Dawn leave the doors open, and that keeps a little bit of the pollen out, but not much. Since we had ham last weekend, we're having St. Louis style pork ribs this weekend. You stay here and be a good boy. Orange Kitty's halfway up the hill. And I can't have nobody being hungry. I can see Morris and Stripe up behind him. So I know this is the other Orange Kitty. Can't have him being hungry. Apparently Stripe doesn't care about him. Not fighting is good. Well, at least if he's going to come down this time every night, I'll know when to set out the humane trap. See the one on the left and Morris is the one on the right. Hi. Are you talking to me? Alright, well you be a good boy. Don't get into any fights and I'm going to walk away and let you come get this food.